afternoon, sir. So, my name is Janan Ruraboyda, sir, from 12 PBLC AM. So, sir, this is my work immersion portfolio, sir. This is the first page, sir. And this is the profile, sir. Sir. And table of contents, sir. All pages, sir. Here, sir. Permission. And preface, sir. And for
Mira kami ki Adela, kay tanong report man ka. Mga tali lang na ikaw karon na laptop.
and work immersion, sir. So this work immersion, sir, is one of the major may konti na sir is understanding, sir, kung paano i-connect yun ulit, sir, pero ayos naman, sir.
How did you resolve the situation?
Yes, sir, kami ko sa kami kay sir. Sige lang, sir. Basta, sir. Ko sa kay sir, sige lang, sir. And discipline, sir. Discipline, sir. Sir. Proper discipline, sir. Sa others, sir. And activity 16, sir. Work immersion plus, sir. Activity 2 page.
Report. One activity report.
Activity 17, sir. Reports, sir. Start, sir, November 17, sir. To clean the EIM lab, sir. And next, sir. Here, sir, the activity 19, sir. Daily time record, sir, duty guard. Complete, sir. Assign na, sir.
Complete the
Bending PVC and performing the task 23. Day 6. Making diagram, sir. And performing the task 24. And removing bugs, sir. Day 7, sir, continuing to performing the task 24 and removing bulbs and then solar lights, sir. Ulit, sir. Day 8. Day 8, sir, is fixing wiring board and adding outlet. Performing the task 25, sir. Day 10, sir, is replacing and removing bugs, sir. And activity 20, sir, daily
may manlaman.
journal, sir.
May manlaman.
Sir.
Start and comment.
Task activity 21, sir. Work and performance, sir. Right, sir. Fixing broken outlet, sir. Performing task 22, adding outlet.
Proceed.
Activity 20, sir. Personal. Sir. And proper house cleaning, sir. And under observation, sir. Verification. And other related tasks, sir. And leaving holes, sir. And cutting wood, sir. Activity 25, sir. Post immersion, sir. And activity 26, sir. Accomplishment report. Activity 27, my update resume, sir. Sir,
So what's new about your resume?
ano sir, may work experience na sir.
Okay. Version highlight.
Pwede mo rin highlight sir. Pwede rin
Dapat
sir.
sa puro pictures yung mga work version highlight. So, my reflection. So, what can you say about your work experience?
Sir, ano, sa work experience sir, iba siya sa, ano lang sir, sa class lang sir. At experience sir, yung real life sir. Yung may kuryente na kung paano yung mga totoo na sir yung sa mga tanggal na sa mga semento sir. And more on sir.
So, iba yung nasa loob lang ng klase, iba yung nasa actual.
Iba na sa
Okay, iba yung nakikita-kita nyo lang picture-picture, iba pag kayo na yung
gumagawa sir.
mahawak ng live.
Yes sir.
Okay,
College
next.
sir, sa senior high school sir. Ito na sir, field demo and work during the work immersion and year party sir. That's all sir. Thank you sir.